Aiza Ali and you are watching Saiban News HD. Now we add news from Riyadh, Saudi Arabia. A colorful award ceremony was held at the conclusion of Danube Hospitality T20 cricket tournament organized by the Riyadh Cricket Association at RCA Sports Complex in Riyadh. This tournament was sponsored by the Danube Hospitality Group and the ceremony was attended by a large number of players and cricket enthusiasts. The special guest at the award ceremony was Mohammad Nadeem Babar, CEO of the Riyadh Cricket Association, a renowned all-rounder and former first-class cricketer. Other distinguished guests at the ceremony included RCA Senior Vice President Nasir Mahmood Abbasi, Vice President Ashik Mughal, General Secretary Ashfaq Bhatt, Media Coordinator Atif Amin, Selector Sheraf Khan Chaton, and members of the RCA umpiring committee including Muhammad Akram along with other executive committee members. The ceremony was hosted by Nasir Abbasi and Ashfaq Bhatt. In other speeches, Nasir Abbasi and Ashik Mughal praised the players' outstanding performances and stated that RCA's objective has always been to provide opportunities for players to showcase their skills on the field. They also expressed their gratitude to Danube Hospitality for sponsoring the tournament and extended their best wishes. During his address, Nadeem Babar congratulated the players and expressed great appreciation for the efforts of the RCA's Patron-in-Chief Prince Dr. General Abdulaziz bin Nasir bin Abdulaziz Al Saud, whose contributions have helped elevate cricket in the region. He emphasized that under his leadership, RCA has become one of Saudi Arabia's leading associations and a member of the Saudi Cricket Federation. Nadeem Babar also acknowledged the contributions of RCA's late patron Muhammad Anwar, who was among the pioneers of cricket in the kingdom. During the award ceremony, the top players of the tournament were presented with trophies and individual prizes, while the RCA Executive Committee members were given shields. The efforts of the RCA umpires in promoting cricket were also recognized with honorary certificates and medals. For more updates and news, like and subscribe our channel Saiban News HD.